In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clock in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're looking to keep track of time while working, or you're crafting a more complex project involving time management or scheduling, integrating a clock directly into your spreadsheet can be incredibly handy. I'll guide you step by step through this simple process. First things first, open your Google Sheet where you want to add this useful feature. Once you have your document ready, look for a cell where you want the clock to appear. It might be helpful to choose a spot that is easily noticeable, perhaps at the top of your sheet or near important data. Now that you've selected your cell, you'll need to input a formula that will give you the current time. Type in the formula now. What this does is display the current date and time initially. It's a great function because it automatically pulls the current date and time from the system clock, ensuring that your spreadsheet is always up to date. Obviously, if you're aiming to have a clock, you might want a cleaner look that shows just the time without the date. Here's how you can tweak the display format. With the cell still selected, head to the top menu and click on Format. From there, navigate to Number, then click on Time. This change will refine the cell's appearance, showing only the current time without any date information cluttering your view. Of course, having a clock that stays frozen in time wouldn't be very helpful. So, to ensure your clock updates automatically, there's a vital setting to adjust. Go ahead and click on File in the menu, then move to Spreadsheet Settings. From there, select the Calculation tab. This is where you'll find the recalculation settings. Set this option to On Change and Every Minute. Setting it this way ensures that your clock refreshes every minute, providing the most accurate time possible without needing a manual nudge. Once these settings are in place, your digital clock in Google Sheets should be ticking away smoothly. If you want to make multiple clocks or display the time in different cells, simply copy the formula to other locations within your spreadsheet. You might also want to adjust the formatting or styling to better blend into your existing project or stand out as a ready reference. Google Sheets offers plenty of customization options to suit your needs. And there you have it. That's how you make a clock in Google Sheets on desktop. This can be a simple yet powerful addition, adding layers of functionality to your spreadsheets. Feel free to explore more possibilities and make it a part of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do in keeping track of time.